Are you thinking of making dinner in less than an hour or just looking for something quick, easy, and delicious? Well, I got you covered. Today, I'm showing you how to make a simple and tasty potato and chicken recipe that comes together in one time. Hello, guys, welcome back to the channel where we keep it simple, easy, and absolutely delicious. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new here, my name is Umi. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a like, and share with your friends. Now, let's get started.